The experiment number 4 is study of IC74LS85U as a magnitude comparator. So LS means again a TTL IC. So we are using TTL IC for this implementation. So first part is design and implement 4-bit comparator, and second part is design and implement 8-bit comparator. So first we will see the IC diagram of comparator. So pin number 2, 3, 4 are cascading inputs. Okay, in that A less than B, A equals to B and A greater than B. Cascading means when we are going to increase the number of inputs. That's why we require the two ICs. So cascading means we are connecting that second IC to these input pins. Next is the output pins 5, 6, 7. A greater than. So here pin number 15 is A3, that is MSB. Okay. So after 8, this 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15 is connected to the MSB. Okay. That is the input. Then pin number 13, that is, this is 15, this is 14 and 13 is connected to the next. Then pin number 12 is connected to the next input. Then pin number 10, this is 12, this is 11, then 10, pin number 10 is connected to again next input. Then pin number 1 is connected to here, that is B3. Pin number 14. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and this is 14 is connected to the next, that is B2. Then pin number 11. So this is 8, 9, 10 and this is pin number 11. It's connected to the connected as B1. Then pin number 9 is B0. So after 8 this is 9. This is connected at B0. So these 8 inputs are connected. Then we will see the next connection. 2 and 4 are connected to the ground. So you can short it or you can directly connect to the ground. So pin number 2 is ground. Pin number 4 is also ground. After that pin number 3 is VCC. So pin number 3 is VCC. Then we will see the 5, 6, 7. So 5, 6, 7 are the output pins. Okay. So 5 is connected A greater than B. So 5 is connected. I am connecting here. Output, one of the output. 6 is A equals to B. Again this is the another input output. And pin number 7 is again one of the output, that is A less than B. Next we will check the truth table. Okay, so we have completed all the connections. So truth table we will go into check. So first is all are 0. All are 0. All inputs are 0. So you are getting the output A equals to B. So see here the LED is glowing here. Okay, next what we have to make, A0 is high. Okay, so this is A0 and B0 is also high. So this is B0. Again they are on the same condition. So that's why you are getting again A equals to B. So middle one pin is the A equals to B. So A equals to B is glowing. Next is the input that only B1 is 1. So this is your B1 pin. I am making it high. So you are getting here A. Okay, so the next part is design and implement 8-bit comparator. So 8-bit comparator means the 8 inputs for the A and 8 inputs for the B. So total we are getting the 16. So see here, that's why we are connecting the two comparator ICs, because only one comparator IC having the 8 inputs, but here we require the 16 inputs. So that's why we are using the cascade inputs here. Okay, so see here in our kit there are only 0 to 9 means 10 inputs are there. Okay, but we require the 16 inputs. Okay, so that's why what I am doing here, I am making the overlapping of the connections. So A7, A6, A5, A4, A3, A2, A1, A0. In that I am going to overlap B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. Okay, so here I am connecting the two comparator. Okay, and that VCC and ground I am going already connected. Okay, for the both the ICs. In that Now we will do the connection. So pin number 15 of first, this is my first IC and this is second IC. Okay, so first IC pin number 15 is connected as, so this is 16, pin number 16. So this one is 15. So 15 is connected over here, Then pin number 13. This is 15, then 14, and then 13 connected as a A6. Then pin number 12, 13. This is 12 is connected next as a A5. Then pin number 10 is connected as A4. So pin number, this is 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and pin number 10. So connected as A4. Then pin number 1. According to this diagram, I have to overlap B0 pin on A7. So B0, where is my B0? On the second IC, that is pin number 9. So this is my second IC on pin number 9 is connected here. So pin number 9 is overlapped on A7. Then next B1 is overlapped on A6. So B1 is pin number 11 of the second IC. Okay. So pin number 8, 9, 10. This is 11. It's connected on A6. Next B2 is overlapped on A5. So B2 is pin number 14 of the second IC. So this is my 14 pin. So connected at here. Then B3 is again the second IC. Okay, so B3 is connected at pin number 1 of the second IC. So it is connected over here. Then B4 is on the first IC. So that is pin number 9 again of the first IC. Pin number 9, 8, 9 of the first IC and connected here. Then pin number B5. So B5 pin number is 11. Pin number 11. So this is overlap on A2. So pin number 11, 8, 9, 10. And this is 11. So overlap on A2. Then B6 pin number is 14. So 14 is overlapped on A1. And last one is B7. So B7 is pin number 1 of the first IC, overlapped on A0. Okay. So the next is remaining pin number 1, 5, 6, 7.
Start.
So next 5, 6, 7 for the IC1 number 1 is these are the output pins. Okay, so 5 is connected as A greater than B. Okay, so see here in table also A greater than B is first. So I am connecting here A greater than B. Then pin number 6 is A equals to B. 6 is A equals to B. And pin number 7 is A less than B. Okay, so these are connected. Then pin number 4 is connected short with the pin number 5 of the second IC. Okay, so pin number 4 is connected shorted to pin number 5 of the second IC. Then pin number 3 of the first IC is again connected to pin number 6 of the second IC. So 3 to 6. 3 and 6. And again pin number 2 is connected to pin number 7 of the second IC. So pin number 2 of the first IC is connected to pin number 7 of the second IC. So this is the cascading connections of the two ICs. Okay. So next is these pins are remaining. So pin number 3 is connected to VCC. So pin number 3 of the second IC. So pin number 3 is connected to VCC. Pin number 2 is connected to ground. And pin number 4 is connected also to the ground. Okay, so thus we have make the connections. Inputs are 0. See here, A equals to B is glowing. That is the middle one. Okay, I am making all the ones. Then when I am making all the ones, again A equals to B is glowing. Okay, so next we will check the simple thing is that when I am making A7 is high, so in that A7, because A7 and B0 are overlapped, so B0 is also going to make high. So I am making here A7 high, but in A7 and B0 comparison, A is greater than B. Why? Because A7 is at MSB. So here A is greater than B. Okay, so here see A is greater than B is glowing. Okay, so next when I am making A0 high, so in that A0, when I am making A0 high, so B7 will also get high. Okay, so in that case A becomes less than B. So here you are getting A less than B. So like that we can check any combinations. Okay, so here we have completed the 8-bit comparator practical.